Hello friends, welcome to the channel of Contemporary Literary Review India. Before we move ahead, please subscribe to our channel to receive notification on time. Today I am in discussion with the author Abhishek Mishra. Abhishek has written more than 50 articles on various topics and 3 books until now, including the book of Powerful and Exception Quotes, Stereotypical Leadership, and Envisioning PMO and Project Management through a Juggler's Eye. I welcome you, Mr. Abhishek Mishra. The first question, in fact, I would like to know, would you please introduce yourself a little about yourself, something like that?
Sure. See, as you have already told my name, so no need to tell my name again. So I'll just quickly jump into the other part of it. See, I'm basically a learner, a avid learner who learns from everything. Anything that I do, I learn from it. And I have written 3 books. In this entire learning process, right? I've written 3 books and
Okay.
would be looking forward to write something different. So I'm more focusing on writing fictional books.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's all about me in short.
So, what is your profession? Means the profession like what you are doing currently?
So profession wise, I'm a project manager,
Mm-hmm.
IT project manager, been working from since 2006. But last year, March, I had some strategic alignment. Organizational strategic alignment where, I lost my job, and then and that's when I started my passion. Uncover my passion for writing, and since
Okay.
then I've been writing.
Okay. Great. So this means that during pandemic, your organization also suffered this situation
Yeah,
where people were laid off.
correct. So currently, I'm not associated with anyone. I'm only writing.
Okay. Great. So okay, this means that you had a very short period for writing. That means this last 1 year or so.
Yeah, 1 year I have been actively writing.
Hmm.
Before to that, I've been on and off, but I've been writing something or the other. But from past 1 year, I've been actively writing.
Okay. That means because of getting ample time.
Yeah, correct. So nothing else to
Hmm.
do.
Okay,
We can go
so
out also.
correct. So during this period, you mentioned that you have written a few books. So how many books have you got published until now?
So see, I have published 3 books till now,
Hmm.
and looking forward for 3 more. Three more.
Okay.
Writing in parallel, and then I have I'm participating NaNoWriMo, right? You might have heard
Hmm.
NaNoWriMo. There is a writing competition which goes on. Where
Okay.
is a platform? It's a platform where many writers join the same platform. We write and we share our daily progresses. So it
Hmm.
started from yesterday, 1st of April. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm looking forward for another 3 book by end of
Hmm.
this year. That's what my target looks like. And all those 3 books, as I said, I'm trying my hands in fictional writing. So all those 3 books will be
Okay.
something different, something into fictional.
Actually, pandemic brought many things down, but at the same time, it brought out very good things as well. And because just last time I had an interview with another writer, that is his name is Ishwar Pillai, and
Mhm.
he was talking about like he wrote a synopsis and concept of books about of at least 20 books, but during pandemic he completed several of them. Okay, and his recent book on that is farming is getting much accolades from different sources.
Mhm.
So which book you think is the best one until now, miss, among all these three?
See, the 3 what I've written, those are basically of my. It's nothing but sharing my project management knowledge. The first one is a quotation.
Mm-hmm.
which I keep on writing. It's not a compilation of quotation, which I keep on writing, and I publish some of it. Second, third, I mean, those are non-fictional. I mean, subject
Mm-hmm.
specific. I
Okay, okay.
mean, neither of them are my best ones. So the best ones are yet to come.
Oh,
So
great,
you may see it soon.
Well, this means that you have high spirit. Means still producing, still aspiring something bigger, something great.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, great work. Keep it up. So, okay, regarding quotation, that this is my personal view that there are several quotes already there in the market. So, why you have compiled them in a single book, or if this is the book of all quotes from you only? What?
Yeah, I mean, see, I know, I mean, I understand the same question people ask me. See, I know that there are so many quotations available in market in various other sources, but
Hmm.
I mean, see, I have not compiled anything. I mean, I'm not sure whether, I mean, but I have not compiled any of those quotations which is available in market or available in various
Okay.
sources. Those are basically my own quotes. I mean,
Okay.
originally written by me, and then so those are basically how do we say? So those are in Hindi, right? So if you translate in Hindi, those can be become a one-liner dialogue. So
Okay.
those are
Okay.
is nothing but basically one-liner dialogue. When I translate it in English,
Okay.
it
Okay.
become a quotation.
Okay. So just can you give me a few quotes, just beautiful ones, so that I can also be happy to know about them?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, see, one of the quote I have written it in my book. So I would read that. I would like to read that out. Yeah. So one of the quote that I've written it in my book, right? So it says, "Don't limit your challenges. In fact, keep challenging all your limit. So that way, what will happen? See, that way, what will happen is the real miracle will happen. The true character comes out.
Correct. Correct. And something more, just one, just dil mange more, something like that. Okay.
Something more. Yeah,
Just
yeah, I
one
mean
more.
that out of context. I mean, it's a funny one. See,
Mhm.
I have written that. I mean, though lion is the king of the jungle, but a hunter always knows how to hunt a lion down.
That's great. So this means that all you have compared quotes only, is it?
Yeah, yeah,
Or discussion or
all,
something like that?
yeah. I mean, the way, see, when I talk to my friends or when friends talk to me, so we
Mhm.
usually exchange some of the powerful dialogues, right? So
Okay.
all those I converted into a quotes. So I
Okay.
mean,
Okay.
it
That
happened
means,
that way.
oh, you generally speak in dialogues, is it?
Dialogues, as in, see, I'm also what we are discussing. That's also a dialogue. But
Correct. Correct.
what I'm saying, I only convert powerful dialogue.
Mm. Okay. Okay. Great.
I mean, basically
Okay.
the one-liners.
Mm-hmm. Got it. So in this in one book is titled like a stereotypical leadership. So that is what?
I mean, see, stereotypical leadership, basically, that's a general topic. I mean, see, it covers two aspects of it. One is
Mhm.
gender stereotype. Other one is stereotypical mindset. So
Okay.
stereotypical. So my book, it's mainly, I mean, it focuses little bit of gender stereotypes. How we have been, I mean, see how we see when or how we react when we see a woman leader.
Okay.
Even that happened with me. I have did that multiple times. Then I realized, no, why? I mean, both are same. It doesn't matter gender wise. It never matters. But it
Mhm.
happened with me. I mean, some point of time when I started my career, my first organization, my manager was a female. I said,
Mhm.
what female will take decision? But
Mhm.
uh, so far, whomever leader I've met, right, I've seen female are the one who has taken the best decision. See, it
Mhm.
changes over course of time. I mean, over
Correct.
period of
Correct.
time. But
Mhm.
that there are still few people who think that women are not capable or competent enough to become a leader. So it
Mhm.
talks about that, and it also talks about stereotypic mindset. So
Mhm.
stereotypic mindset meaning, see, if you go to a pawn shop, you
Mhm.
talk to him friendly. some of your friends who will be in a higher position or maybe working in a corporate, they'll say, why you are talking to a pan guy this way? So those are
Correct.
stereotypic mindset where we categorize people. He
Mm-hmm.
is not belong to my, not my class, my, I mean, the person doesn't belongs to my class. The person doesn't seems to be in my wavelength. We decide that we we program our mind that way. So that
Mm-hmm.
way, what happens, being a manager or being a director or whatever it is, we don't talk to the people, the freshers that way. We don't talk
Mm-hmm.
to the freshers in a friendly way. So that creates a difference. So
Mm-hmm.
it talks about that. I mean, basically it talks about that,
Okay.
and
Okay.
more detail you'll get to know once you read my book, which is available
Mm-hmm.
in all platform, Amazon, Flipkart, and
Mm-hmm.
ebook version is also available in Amazon Kindle, Google
Do you
Play Book.
have any copy with you right now so that you can show
PDF.
to?
I mean, my current book I have.
Yes, yes. So just
This is my recent book.
a little up. Yes, yes. Now it is very clear. A little down, a little down. Just that. Yeah, it's looking so nice. Okay, great. Yeah, yeah. Great. Okay. Anyway, in fact, I will get one copy very soon. Don't worry about that. So from your publisher or something like that. Okay.
Sure,
So,
sure, sure.
so and okay. So you were talking about like managers or some means those people who are at higher position actually generally feel that okay means they should not be talking to these and these people or of these ranks. So obviously,
Correct.
actually, this is the correct means you have highlighted a very right thing. I also come from corporate culture. I also see such situations, particularly with a few people. And so, okay, just since when means you have already mentioned about that you are writing for quite a long time now.
Yeah.
So means did you ever have any mind like that you should be writing previously or something like just, or it is just the birth of a very short period means about this because of the situation.
No, no. I mean, I always I keep thinking a lot of things. I always put it across. Sometimes I type it somewhere. Sometimes I type it in my mobile. Sometimes I even record it,
Mm-hmm.
voice record. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, I always does that. But from past 1 year, I have been writing. As I said, right, I've been writing actively.
Okay, 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 okay. So just it is just out of this interview question. So what is your preparation for writing something like book or something like that?
Preparation as in nothing. I mean, there is no such preparation. I sit sometime. I mean, most of the time I sit idly. I keep thinking. I keep
Mm-hmm.
silently. I keep thinking. That's how the ideas comes into it. Then I keep playing around with the ideas.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing much. I mean, as I said, right. See, I'm focusing more on a fictional writing. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
non-fictional. You may need some references, guides, but
Mm-hmm.
fictional you don't need anything. You just have to sit and write.
Okay, okay, okay. So when you talk about fiction writing, so this means that you should be aware about the writers as well, because that is more important. So generally, we read the writers a lot, and then we base something on if, for example, if I'm writing fiction, then I should be writing fiction more from fiction writers or novelists. Okay, if I want to become a poet, then I will read poetry more from
No,
different
no,
poets.
nothing. Yeah, I got your question, but nothing like that. I follow
Okay.
everyone. As
Mm-hmm.
I said, right? So when I start writing, suppose a story or anything which is fictional, it all depends on me. It all depends how ideas come into it and how
Mm-hmm.
uh, how I shape up my ideas, how I depict my idea in my story, how I depict my characters in my story.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't really matter if I'm reading fictional stories, non-fictional, or
Mm-hmm.
whether I'm reading poem, shairis, or anything. Doesn't matter. I mean,
Mm.
doesn't really matter.
Okay. Okay.
It only matters what kind of idea you're getting.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, next is like, what's your next book? Means the very next book coming up.
Very next book,
Means
I
you have
mean,
planned already so many. So, which is the very next one?
the very next one is basically Coffee with Krishna.
Okay, okay.
So it talks about, as I said, right? So some times back, I mean, initial, I think in 2006 when I started my career, and
Mhm.
even 2010 when I came back after a big accident. So both the time I had woman leader.
Okay.
So anything, any fictional story, anything that I write, right? So my characters in my entire character, right? My central character will be a female who has
Okay.
got a lot of power. So
Mhm.
this basically Coffee with Krishna talks about a housewife, a typical housewife who steps out of her comfort zone in the world of
Mhm.
manipulation to save her husband,
Okay.
who has and on top and the best part is her husband was falsely accused of a rape, and she went out of her box, out of her comfort zone to prove her husband innocent, who is actually is. I mean, I'm
Okay.
not sure who is actually innocent or not. That you may realize once you read the book, once you
Mhm.
read the story.
Mhm.
Yeah, but she her goal is to prove her husband innocent,
Okay. Okay.
and then she has to fight against some of the influential personalities in the town, go against the conservative mindset in the society.
Mhm.
So all that things will happen in the story.
Okay. So you just discussed about Krishna. Who is this Krishna? This person?
That also you'll get to know. I don't know. I mean, maybe a person, maybe God, I don't know.
Okay. Okay. No, I am talking about because Krishna is generally considered a very common character from mythology. Okay. So is it that
Yeah,
or
that's what
what?
I said. Maybe no, maybe God, maybe normal man, maybe something, I don't know.
Hmm.
That's the see,
Means,
that's
are you keeping this secret or what?
suspense.
Oh, that is what. Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So Krishna symbolizes something like that, a very strong character, is it? And
Strong, that's
we will come to
that's
know
a
about this only when we read the book.
yeah, that's one of the supporting character in the story.
Okay. Okay. Then who is the protagonist?
Protagonist, there are so protagonist. I mean, I said right, the female, the housewife who steps
Okay.
out of the comfort zone.
Okay. 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 So okay. So this means that Krishna is female or male in your coming up book.
Male. That I can assure you, male. But
Mhm.
common or God or anything, what it is, you will get to know.
Okay. 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 Means you want to keep this secret until your book is out.
Yeah, suspense. Once you read the
Mhm.
book, you'll all. I mean, same question I'll ask you, who's Krishna? Then
Okay.
you'll answer me.
Okay. Okay. Great. So anything you would like to discuss, because I have in fact finished my questions that in
Nothing,
fact I
nothing.
had. So if you want to know about, or you want to highlight or focus about some book, some concept or some idea, or just means give me freedom to ask this, like
Hmm.
give some tips how to cope up with pandemic or any negative situation anyone may fall in pandemic like situation.
So cope up as in I really don't know. I really don't know. But usually what I do when I comes around any kind of such situation, see, first of all, I don't consider anything. I mean, I don't consider anything or I don't take anything as a negative. See,
Mm-hmm.
I tend to see something, see anything or anything and everything that happens with it, there is always a cause behind it. So I
Mm-hmm.
always try to figure out what is the cause behind it, what is the reason. What suppose I lost my job and from
Mm-hmm.
past 1 year I'm not getting any job, so which means that actually pushing me to a different level. So
Mm-hmm.
now I'm realizing what is the different level. So that way I see it. So I really don't know what to suggest. I mean, my friend also asked me. I really don't know how to suggest them, what to suggest them. It came naturally. It came more impromptu
Okay.
in me.
Okay. Great. So just can you give me a very small glimpse about your family background, like your wife, children?
Wife, I mean, I got married in 2013-14,
Hmm.
and children we have not planned yet. We are planning now
Okay.
because there are a lot of ups and downs going on. I
Mhm.
mean, that's why we have been enjoying our life so far.
Mhm.
And family, I have a father and two sisters who are
Mhm.
there in my native, who are there in Bhubaneswar, Orissa.
Okay. So it was nice talking to you. Have
Same
a
here, Khurshid.
nice, have a nice day. Have a very great journey, long journey in writing career.
Same here, Khurshid. Sure. Thank you, Khurshid.
Welcome.
Have a nice talking to you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.